So let us go with a problem for dual cycle para mas maintindihan natin. So I have here this problem. So sample problem. At the of the compression, beginning daw ng compression, the part 1 or point 1 of an ideal dual combustion cycle using air has a pressure of 15 psia, a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit, and a specific volume of 13.2 cubic feet per pound. For a compression ratio of 12, and both constant volume and pressure heat added is at 176 BTU per pound, meron tayong constant pressure, constant volume, heat addition. Bawat isa, 176. So calculate the following: the pressure and temperature at the end of the isentropic compression, the pressure and temperature at the end of each heat addition process, the temperature at the beginning of heat rejection, the heat rejected, network thermal efficiency, and the power developed by ideal engine using zero point 0.5 pound of air. Mhm. So, ito na. Solve na natin. So, ganda, dinodrawing natin yung graph niya. Kunin ko muna yung graph. I want to get the graph. Yan, lagay natin dito para hindi tayo nalilito. So, at point 1, meron tayong given na P1. Ayan, P1. P1. RK. Ito, B1. Okay, P1 is 15 PSI. T1 is equal to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus ko na ng 460. Para maging runtime. Tapos B1 is 13.2 cubic foot per pound. RK is 12. Ayan, yun ang mga given niya. So, ito 75 plus 460. Para hindi na ako mag ko-compute pa. So, 535 degrees runtime. So, RK is 12. Tapos, QA niya dito is 176. Dito, 176 din. Yan. So, let us go with the process 1 to 2. 1 to 2. Isentropic. Okay? So, hanapin ko muna si T2. Meron na akong RK. T2 is equal to T1 RK raised to K minus 1. So, T2 is equal to 535. Huwag natin kalimutan yung unit. Degrees Rankine multiplied to 12 raised to K minus 1. That is, K natin is 1.4 for air. Standard yan. Minus 1. So, T2 is equal to 535 times 12 raised to 2.4 na lang. That is 1145. 1445 pala. 1445.5272 degrees runtime. That is T2. How about P2? Kunin ko na muna si V1. Si V2. Diba meron tayong RK? So, V2 is equal to V1 divided by RK. So, 13.2 cubic feet per pound divided by 12. So, that is 13.2 divided by 12. The answer is 1.1. 1.1 cubic foot per pound. Tapos, we can solve for P2. So, P2 is equal to MRT 2 over V2. So, P2 is equal to M. V over M is specific volume naman to eh. Ayun yan. So, R is for air, 53.34 pound foot per pound degree runtime. So 53.34 pound foot per pound degree Rankine. Multiply to temperature 2, that is 1445.5272 degrees Rankine. Divide by V2. V2 is 1.1 feet cube per pound. Pag may nakita kayong feet cube, kahit saan man dyan, pwede mong multiply sa taas, multiply mo sa baba. So, sa baba na lang. So, 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. Yun lagi nating conversion factor. So, canceling all the same units. Feet squared, feet cube, yung feet, yung pound, degree Rankine. Ang tira is pound inch squared. So, equal to 53.34 times 1445.5272 divided by 1.1 times 144. The answer is 486. 486.7703 PSI. That is for pressure 2. Anong hinahanap? Pressure and temperature at the end of isentropic compression. Check. The pressure and temperature at the end of each heat addition process. Paste ko ulit dito. Meron tayong 176. Meron tayong 176. Meron tayong value nito. Meron tayong value nito. Ano na lang yung sa 3? Kunin natin. Di ba ang QA at constant volume is 176 BTU per pound? Check natin kung 176 ha. Tama, 176. So, QAV is M C V delta T. CV delta T. Okay? T3 minus T2. Meron tayong T2, wala tayong T3. So, let us solve for T3. T3 is equal to QAV over MCV plus T2. This is equal to QAV is 176 BTU per pound. Yung CV is 0.171 BTU per pound. Tapos yung T2 plus 1445.5272 degrees Rankine. Ito may degrees Rankine. Okay, cancel yung BTU per pound, ang tira Rankine. So, the value for T3 value for T3 is 176 divided by 0.171 plus 1445.5272. 2474. 2474.7670 degrees Rankine. Yan yung T3 natin. Okay. At what process ito? Constant volume sila. Ibig sabihin, we can find yung RP. Hindi pala RP. Constant volume V3 over V2. Okay. Constant. So, V3. Okay. Lagyan natin dito. V3 is equal to V2. Ayan. So, ideal gas law. Hanapin natin yung 1.1 to. Cubic foot per pound. Ideal gas law, P3 is MR T3 over V3. T3 is 3.34 feet pound per pound degree Rankine multiplied to 2474.7670 degree Rankine. Divide by V3, 1.1 cubic foot per pound. Multiplied to 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. Cancel all the same units na meron tayo. Ayan, yung feet. Yung feet dito, yung pound. Hindi pala, yung pound, degree Rankine, natira, pound per inch squared, PSI pa rin. So, ilang PSI yan? That is 53.34 times 2474.7670. So, 1.1 times 144. So, this is 883. 833.359 PSI. Okay. Meron tayong T3, B3, and P3. Next, we will find yung so, this is P2 o B2 over T2 equal to P3 over T. B3 equal yung volume. So, ito. So, this will become pressure ratio. Yung pressure ratio natin dyan will be T3 over T2 equal to P3 over P2. So, P3, 833.3590 divide by P2. Yung P2 is 486.7703. 7703. Divide by 486.7703. The answer is 1.712. Okay. Goods na tayo dun. How about dun naman sa heat addition at constant volume? Process 3 to 4. Constant pressure pala. Constant pressure. O, yung heat added, constant pressure is equal to 176 BTU per pound. Meron na ba tayong T4? Wala pa. May T3 na tayo. Check. Ibig sabihin, makuha natin si T4. So, T4, unknown. Saan natin siya makuha? Makuha natin siya dito. QAP is equal to MCP. Tapos, T4 minus T3. Check nyo dito sa ating notes kung tama yung ating gawa. So, AB, T3, T2. Ayan, T3, T4. Check. So, T4, wala tayo. T3, check, check, check. So, T4 is equal to QAP divided by MCP plus T3. So, T4 is equal to 176 BTU per pound. Divide by yung CP of air, 0.24 BTU per pound degree Rankine plus T3. T3 is 2474.767. 2474.7670 degrees Rankine. So, T4 is equal to, yan ang pinakamalaking temperature of our combustion. Divide by 0.24 plus 2474.7670. 3208.1 degrees Rankine. That is T4. Meron na ba tayong V4? Ito. Sabihin natin dito, P4 is equal to P3. That is 833.3590 PSI. Meron tayong value niyan. So, makukuha natin yung value ng V4. So, V4 is equal to MRT4 over P4. So, V4 is equal to R, 53.34 feet pound per pound degree Rankine multiplied to T4. T4 natin is 3208.1 degrees Rankine. Divide by P4. P4 is 833.3590 pound per inch squared. Then multiply it with 144 pa rin. 144 inch squared per feet squared. So V4 is equal to 53.34 times 3208.1 divided by 833.359 multiplied to 144. The answer is 1.42. 1.4260 feet cube per pound. Ayan. So that is cut-off ratio. So RC is equal to V4 over V3 equal to T3 over T4. Dito na lang, V4 over V3. V3 is equal to V2. That is 1.1. 1.1. Tapos 1.426 RC. (1.426) divided by 1.1. That is 1.2964. That is the cut-off ratio. Okay, ano pa nga hanapin natin? Yung 5. Process 4 to 5. Copy ko ulit dito. Hindi kayo nalilito. Laging dalihin yung drawing. Process 4 to 5. That is isentropic expansion. This is T5. T5, T4 over T5 equal to P4 over P5 raised to K minus 1 over K equal to V5 over V1. V1 tuloy V4 raised to K minus 1. Where V5 over V4 is expansion ratio. V5 over V4. Yung V5 mo is equal to V1. That is equal to 13.2 cubic foot per pound. So, RE, hanapin muna natin yun. 13.2 divided by 1.426. 13.2 divided by 1.426. Ay, lagyan ko na ng 1 to. That is 9.2567. Okay, yan na yun. Hanapin ko na yung T5. T5 is equal to T4 divided by RE raised to K minus 1. So, T4 is 3208.1 degrees Rankine. Tama ba yung pagkakaalala ko? Ayan, 3208.1. 9.2567 raised to 1.4 minus 1. So, T5 is equal to 3208.1 divided by 9.2567 raised to 0.4. So, 1317 yung P5. T5. T5 is 1317.2416 degrees Rankine. Solve na lahat. Anong missing na lang? Yung P5. O, P5. Kunin ko na yung P5 sa PBMRT. P5 is equal to MRT5 over B5. So, R, 53.34 feet pound per pound degree Rankine. Multiply to T5 na nakuha natin, 1317.2416 degrees Rankine. Divide by B5 which is 13.2 feet cube per pound. Okay, lagi mo na lang i-multiply ng 144 inch squared per 1 foot squared. Yung conversion factor niya. Cancel all the same units, feet, feet cube, feet squared, pound, pound, degree Rankine. Ang matitira is pound per inch squared. PSI pa rin. So, P5 is equal to what value? Pinutin na lang natin. The answer is 36. P5 is 36. 36.9643 PSI. Okay na. So, mahanap na rin natin si QR. QR is equal to MCV T5 minus T1. QR is yung CV na lang 0.171 BTU per pound degrees Rankine multiply to T5 which is 1317.2416 minus 535 degrees Rankine. Cancel the same units. Ang matitira BTU per pound. 0.171 times 1317.2416 minus 535. 133. 133.763 BTU per pound. How about the work net? That is QA total minus QR. That is 2 times 176. Kasi dalawa lang naman yun eh. And then parehas pa ng value. Minus 133.763. Ang unit is BTU per pound. That is 2 answer minus 2 times 176. So 218.2367 BTU per pound. Work net, okay. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga nasolve natin. Pressure and temperature, each heat addition process, okay. Beginning of heat rejection, check. That is T5. Heat rejected, check. The network, check. The thermal efficiency. Oh, work net over QA na lang. Thermal efficiency. Work net over QA. So, work net, 218.2367 1.67. Divide natin ng 2 times 176 times 100%. 218 divide by 2 times 176 times negative 100 para maging positive. So, 61.9991%. That is for the efficiency. How about gamitin natin yung efficiency ng mga RPs? Okay? Efficiency of the RPs. Efficiency using auto muna. 1 minus 1 over R k raised to k minus 1 bracket, bracket, multiply 2. Yung sinasabi ko. Pag nasa taas, RC minus 1. Nasa baba, RC minus 1. Nasa taas, K. K, nasa baba. Okay. Tapos, kalimutan na natin siya kaya lagyan natin ng cruise. And then, lagyan natin ng RP. Okay, RP. Diba? Parang RIP, RP. Tapos, RP minus 1. Tama? Tama ba? Tapos, meron ka rin ditong RP. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko kanina dito. Lagyan mo ng RP rin. Okay? Dito sa discussion. Limutan ko lagyan. Yung mga RP. 3 pa lang RP yan. 3 RP lalagay mo. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko dito. Kaya kung may spacing, RP. Ayan. Okay, nandyan yung RP. Okay, go here. So, E is equal to 1 minus 1 over RK na nakuha mo. RK is 12. 12 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Okay, bracket, bracket, bracket. Divided by RC na nakuha ko. 1.2964. 1.2964 raised to 1.4 minus 1. Okay? Tapos, multiply ko rin to ng RP. Ano ba yung RP na nakuha ko dyan? Yung RP na nakuha ko is pressure ratio. Ayun, 1.712. 1.712. 1.712. Okay. Tapos, 1.712 minus 1 plus RP 1.712 1.4. Mahaba lang input no? RC is 1.2964 minus 1. Okay, ito muna yung solve ko. Ay, gawin ko itong letter A. Hindi letter A. Gawin ko itong letter B. Gawin ko itong letter A. So, E is equal to 1 minus A, B. Yung values for A and B. Okay. So, unahin ko muna yung maikli. 1 over 12 raised to 0.4. Kasi 1.4 minus 1 is 0.4. Store ko yung value niya kay A. Ito naman. So, 1.712 times times 1.2964 raised to 1.4 minus 1. So, 1.712 minus 1 plus 1.712 times 1.4 times ito, 0.2964 na lang kasi minusan mo na ng 1. Okay, store ko siya kay B. So, 1 minus alpha A, alpha B. Di ba? Pareho lang. So, the answer is 0.6195. Almost the same lang nung answer kanina, 0.6199. Check na rin yan. How about the actual work net? Binigyan ka ng mass of 0.5 pound per second. 0.5 pound every second times 60 seconds every minute. Kasi yun yung kabisado ko eh. Multiply ko sa network na 218.2367 BTU per pound. Tapos, multiply ko ng conversion factor for HP. You have 1 HP every 42.4 BTU per minute. Okay na yan. So, cancel all the same units na meron tayo. Seconds, minute, BTU, pound, BTU. Ang natira is HP. So, that is 0.5 times 60 times 218.2367. Divide ko na lang ng 42.4. So, the answer is 154. 154.412. Okay? This is 154.413 HP. That is the problem. Very basic lang naman mag-solve kapag alam mo lahat ng meron dyan sa process mo ng dual. Mahaba lang talaga. Okay? Pabalik-balik ka na computation. Pero once na na-practice mo siya, nagamay mo, masasolve mo siya kahit wala kang notes. Okay? That will be all. Have a nice day. Keep on watching ha. Yun na lang tulong nyo sa akin. Hindi naman ako nanghihingi ng Gcash eh. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day.